bears are selling above bars, taking profits below. Bulls are buying below and scaling in lower. But I think most traders cannot trade with limit orders when the bars are this big. They have to trade so small. Best choice is to wait for a better looking buy setup, or if you're really aggressive, sell above bars. Alternatively, you can put up a 1 minute chart or 2 minute chart. 3 minute chart is a 1 minute chart. But the reality is very few traders can trade the 1 minute chart profitably. They have to make too many decisions with too little time. The result is they make too many mistakes. And it's easy to think that all I need to do is get a little bit more practice and I'll get rid of the mistakes. The reality is it's really tough to do. And to me it's just too hard, too much work, and too exhausting. So I do not try it. Except, as you know, there's one trade that I do take. I did not take that buy today, but whenever the market's having a very strong trend like this, traders buy the low of the first bar, scale and lower, right? It would even have worked here, scale and lower, they get out, break even on that rally. For the bears, we go to the bear case. You can see it did not work for the bears, right? If they sold here and scaled in, they would have lost money. However, if they see these two bars, they would have to decide that they are wrong and that the market's going up. Very difficult to be short, scaling in, and then deciding that you're wrong, right? Very difficult to do that. Bears want a measuring gap. Minimum target would be based on that outside down. The bears are hoping for a measured move based upon this, taking the market down to the low of the day. I said 80% chance we've seen the low of the day. The lower down the bears take the market, the percentage falls. So right now maybe 70% chance we've seen the low of the day. Three pushes down, 10, and then a bull bar, 12, 13, and then a bull bar, and now 15, 16. So a wedge, a very tight channel. So it lowers the probability. The bulls want the higher low major trend reversal. Bear trend, very strong reversal. You can say, well, Al, it did not break a trend line. Well, to me it's kind of soft. You say, well, there's the bear trend, big gap down and big bull breakout. If you want, you can put up a Globex chart, maybe it broke a trend line there. So bear channel, bear breakout, reversal up, breaking the channel, trying to form a higher low for a second leg up. NASDAQ, a lot more prominent bear bars, so not as strong as the E-mini. I think trading range day at the moment, and the open of the day will be the key price. So to swing by above 16, not yet high probability. For the bulls, higher low major trend reversal and wedge bull flag, but very tight channel and not a very strong signal bar. So not a high probability buy. Suppose I'm wrong and that we rally strongly from here. That's fine, right? If it changes into a strong bull trend, it'll be obvious. They cannot hide it. I think that we're probably going to be in a trading range, maybe for the rest of the day. Can you buy here, stop below 3, low of the day? Sure. Right now, 70% chance you will not get stopped out. Usually when the channel is this tight, even though there's a wedge, 3 pushes down, usually the market goes more sideways than up. But if you're willing to use wide stops, and if you're able to scale in, you can still scalp in here. For the bears, they want the failed wedge bull flag. They want to break out below 16 and then a measured move down. I think most traders are scalping, long or short. I think both are scalps. 6 tail down, 7 tail up, 16 tail down, 17 tail up. I think today's probably going to end up being a trading range day. Around the open of the day, we can go lower. Trading range days typically go below support, so we may go all the way down below the 4 low. I still think 70% chance we've seen the low of the day. Maybe 50% chance, maybe 60% chance we've seen the high of the day. So shorting below 17, I think low probability. Trading range days, so buy low, sell high. We're low, so I'm only buying down here. You can sell low, but it's a low probability trade. Outside down 15, might go outside up 17. I still think this is looking like a trading range day. Right now we're in a tight trading range. This might be similar to what we had over here yesterday. We came down and tested the open, tried to reverse up, but not a very good reversal. Instead, we formed a triangle. If the market in a trading range day fails to hold around the open of the day, it then tries to get down to the low of the day, which it did, and then it reversed back up. And today is a similar situation. The bulls are trying to hold the market around the open of the day, and then they hope to test the high of the day. I think they will. The bears want the open to fail as support, and for the market then to go down to the low of the day. I guess what I'm hoping is that we form a low 2 short here, like yesterday, that triangle, or that low 2 over here, get a bear breakout, and then a reversal up. Are we still always in long? I think we are, but I think the stop is all the way below the low of the day. So realistically, it's kind of a meaningless comment to say always in long. I think we'll get back up near the high of the day. It's possible that we simply stall at the moving average and then just keep channeling down below the moving average like yesterday. Moving average, reversal down, moving average, reversal down, moving average, reversal down, moving average, and then huge gap down today. Let me throw up this 30-minute chart, which I rarely look at. Okay. Bear channel, bear breakout, reversal. Always in long, stop below here. Not a good entry bar, but for the bears, it's a pullback from the breakout below yesterday's low. Not a good signal bar for the bears. I think still always in long, probably buyers below that bar. That does not mean we're going to rally for the rest of the day. We might, but the 30-minute chart to me looks bullish. We have a bear breakout below a bear channel, very good reversal bar, and it triggered. Bad entry, bad follow through, but still holding above the bottom of the bear breakout. Excuse me, bottom of the reversal. Crude oil today did not hit 80. it got to 80